pour, you can bounce, and you can pour, and you can cap. Okay? So that's simple 1800 bottle flare that you still can show that you still can flare with these bottles. Okay, this is what I call gun flare. These moves we use them every night at the bar, especially when it's busy. Okay, we're gonna flare with the bottle and the gun. Using most of it for vodka tonic, vodka cranberry, screwdrivers. Okay, here goes the move. First one, he goes lower out of the well, swipe through, and pour. That's number one. Now we're watching in slow motion.
Pull the bottle from the well as you quickly snatch it in a reverse grip, taking it behind your neck. Then, simply semicircle as you swipe through the gun in your left hand, releasing the gun only for a split second to allow for the bottle to pass through. Now, you can release the bottle at the top to change into a regular grip and pour with both objects.
Here's the next one. Through, behind the head, out, in the well. Watch it so much.
Pulling the bottle from the well, you will again swipe through the gun, releasing it only momentarily to allow for the bottle to pass through. Then, a simple behind the neck and into a pour. This is a very simple trick, so try to focus on a clean swipe through so that the bottle and the gun do not collide.
Okay, this last one I'm going to show you is a little bit more complicated, but it looks really, really nice. So swipe through, under the arm, swipe through again, to stop, and then we're going to really powerful move. Now, let's watch it in slow motion.
This move is simply a one bottle routine, controlling the bottle at all times with one hand while controlling the gun. Begin by swiping through the gun and into a semicircle. Then, release the bottle over your left hand, allowing the same hand to catch it on the opposite side. You will then release and catch the bottle over your shoulder, positioning it for a second swipe through as you bring the bottle into a semicircle and continue the circle behind your back. Release the bottle flat and allow it to float top heavy into a stall. Then, you can simply release the stall and pour with both objects.
Now I'm going to show you 6 short routines for a busy bar, okay? Okay, so first one, stall and pour. Here's the second one. Here's another one with 2 bottles. Here's another routine with 2 bottles. Voila. Here's another one with bottle and tin. Voila. Here's another one with bottle and tin. Okay, I'm gonna show you some longer routines now that you can show off, okay? Here's the first one. Voila. Here's a 2-bottle routine now. Up. Pour. Cut. Booyah. This is another 2-bottle routine. Voila. Okay, let's go to the transition routine now. Here's another routine. Voila. Okay, as we did in video number 3, I'm gonna show you a lot of moves that I already did, and I'm gonna add a couple more, okay? So it's gonna be a longer routine, but much nicer. Here we go. Exchange. Eye contact. Transitions. Swipe through, stall, forearm stall, and pour. Nice. Vodka and lemonade. Here we go. Here's a martini routine. Bounce. Cut. My friend Francesco says, shake it, don't fake it. Nice. Voila. Okay, this next trick I'm going to show you is one of the most powerful tricks behind the bar. And it's definitely the trick that you want to do if you want to get the attention of the crowd and you want to make the bar busy. Okay? It's called the waterfall. You can do it with 3, 2, 10 glasses. 10 martini glasses, could be shooter, any kind of glass. Okay, and I'm going to show you the technique how to make it up. You're going to ice your shakers with the liquid is already there. Okay, you're going to make your regular pour, and you're going to ice your shakers. You're going to ice them up. And I'm going to show you the, the way to measure it, okay? The distance, in this case, we're going to use martini glasses. So to measure if there is enough ice, we're going to measure with the same martini glass until you get comfortable with the quantity of ice that you're going to put in the drink. Then you don't need to do this anymore. But at the beginning, just to learn the tricks, it's very important that you do this. Old trick that Alan Mace showed me a long time ago. See, that's about it. It doesn't have to be just perfect. It has to be really close. Because we don't want to get them too wide. So then when you do the waterfall, they're gonna spill. Okay. So we're gonna do the third one. Same concept. There's more ice. In the middle. There you go. That's about it. Now we're going to grab another shaker. We're going to use it as a strainer. Okay? And we're going to pour 3 at the same time. Now what we do, we're going to aim with each tin. We're going to aim the middle of each glass. Okay? And it should be a perfect pour. Here we go. Name the first one, and we go one by one, slowly. Second, third, all right in the middle. And it's a waterfall. The most powerful trick behind the bar. Beautiful. You should use it in your advantage. Now let's watch it in slow motion.
The waterfall is the most impressive trick behind the bar, so be sure to use it wisely to grab the attention of your customers. As Christian explained, use the lip of the martini glass to determine the space required from one tin to another. You may then add or remove ice from the tins to achieve the proper space needed. Keep in mind that this space is just an estimate and it doesn't have to be exact, so don't spend an hour in front of your customers trying to calculate the proper space. Once you've prepared the drinks or the shots and have poured them into the tins, place a final tin on top to act as a strainer. Now you simply pour, aiming your tins directly at the center of your target. Be sure to make the pour last long by pouring slowly, allowing your guests to interact and become involved with your actions, while keeping an eye on the streams to ensure their landing.
Okay, I wanted to speak about the tools that we use behind the bar. Obviously the most important tools that we use is the bottle and the tin. I want to talk a little bit about the tin. It's provided by fireproducts.com. What this thing has is very visual, especially at night, to do shadow classes, and, especially when you throw it up in the air, you can see it better. And it also is a little bit wider than other shakers, so when you put the bottle into the tin, it's easier to take it out of the tin. It comes up easier. Now you can find all these products, the shakers in all different colors: green, yellow, black. You choose your color in barproducts.com. Also want to thank Sky. Big thanks to Sky for being a big, huge supporter of Flair bartending. Okay, special thanks to Sky Vodka.